Let's write down what we know. Investment of D dollars, K percent interest, yields 600 in interest. Interest equals 600, time equals 2. In terms of D, what dollar amounts, we're trying to find P. What dollar amount invested at the same rate will yield interest of 2,400 over a 3-year period? Time equals 3. So let's use the information on the left. It's simple interest. That's I equals PRT. Interest is 600. Principal is D. Rate is K. And time is 2. So divide both sides by 2 and you get 300 equals DK. And I'm solving for K because this information wants me to use the same interest rate. So this is 300 over D equals K. Now let's find this one. I equal PRT. Interest is 2,400. We're trying to find P. The interest rate is 300 over D. And the time is 3. So we need to solve this equation for P. Let's multiply both sides by D to clear our fractions. And that gives me 2,400 D equals P times 300 times 3. And let's divide both sides by 300. If we divide both sides by 3. I want to do that. If we divide both sides by 3, we get 800 D equals 300 P. And now let's solve for P. So that's 800 over 300 D equals P. So that's going to be 8/3 D is P. So there's your answer.